Good day, everyone. I am Tricia Mayar Abetacion.
I am Arian D. Labay.
I am John Patrick Lunar.
I am Samantha Fainarias.
I am Danica G.T. Principe.
And we are the Group 5. Today, we are going to demonstrate the thin and thick blood film preparation. Blood film is used to prepare blood for laboratory examinations. A thick blood film is a concentrated sample used to detect low-level parasitemia, especially in malaria diagnosis, while a thin blood film is spread thinly across a slide for detailed examination of blood cell morphology in various disorders and infections.
For our demonstration, first, we must gather the needed materials and equipments to save time and effort. Then, we need to wear our PPEs such as lab gowns, gloves, and masks to provide safety to avoid bloodborne pathogens and prevent contamination. And now, we can start.
In preparing thin blood film, the following procedures are followed. First, place a drop of blood in the center of a clean glass slide, 1 to 2 cm from one end. Then, place another slide or the spreader with a smooth edge at an angle of 30 to 45 degree, close to the drop of blood. Then, move the spreader backward so that it contacts blood. Then move the spreader forward rapidly over the slide. 18 peripheral blood film is therefore prepared.
In preparing thick blood film, the following procedures are followed. First, place a large drop of blood in the center of a clean glass slide. Second, spread it in a round area of 1.5 cm with the help of a stick or end of another glass slide. In summarization, thin and thick blood film techniques are crucial in medical diagnosis. The thin films allows for detailed examination of the blood cells under a microscope, aiding in the identification of abnormalities like the malaria parasites or the blood cell disorders. And meanwhile, the thick film enhances the detection of low levels of pathogens by spreading a larger volume of blood, aiding in the early diagnosis of diseases like the malaria. Together, they provide a comprehensive insights into a patient's health, aiding in monitoring their diseases, progression, and treatment effectiveness.
Again, I am Tricia Mayar Abetacion.
And I am Danica J. Principe.
I am John Patrick Lunar.
I am Samantha Fainarias.
And I am Arian D. Laban, and we are the Group 5.